So I got a couple things to show you guys. First, I'll start with this, or these. They are S52 cams. I'm gonna get them reground. So yeah, they're gonna sound all ropey. Like, this is really nothing important. Like, oh, I'm bugging. I'm not. It's not nothing important, but it's nothing like out of the ordinary. So kind of just like show you guys. Just yeah. Hopefully you guys can see that there. But the main part of this video is a couple things that are over there. Actually, I'll wait for a second and I'll just actually open the box. So this is a package from Germany. So we're gonna get into it right here and see how it actually opens. Oh, okay. Yeah, so that's all stuff. Alright. And as you guys can see, I actually have a knife this time. So we're not just hacking at tape with something super dull. And I just uploaded a video earlier of thrifting and gun shopping, so we're actually going to continue that vlog a little while after this. So yeah. And here are the instructions. It looks somewhat complicated, so I don't believe I'd be able to do it myself, but yeah. Oh wait, no, it's already pinned, so it looks, is it pinned? I think it is pinned. So I may just have, yeah, so there's a couple wires that have to be done, so I can't completely do it myself. But this is an Audi R8 coil pack conversion for the E36, and I have the module. So this, I can do it myself technically, but I'm not, because I want it to be done right, because spark is very essential. But yeah, so I got the whole kit because I didn't want to have to deal with anything. I just wanted it to be plug and play completely. I didn't have to I didn't want to have John wire in anything himself or do anything, like, because he would have had to like make these connectors and everything like that. Let me actually get closer. So he would have had to make these connectors and splice them in and run them all through here, and then like he would have had to make the, like, it would have been a lot. So I just decided to get the whole harness and be able to just do it. And right here I have some Audi R8 coil packs. They're Delphi coil packs. I was told that these are like the closest to OEM, or they're close to OEM, so these will be good. But yeah, let's just plug one in just to show you guys. Boom. Oh my god, that was so satisfying. But yeah, that is an E36 coil harness with an R8 coil on it. So I already have the spark plugs and stuff, so after we do this, it's just plug and play, because this is the module that makes everything work. You just have to wire it in and connect it and they're done. So yeah, and then mount the harness somewhere. But yeah, I'm gonna drop these off later on when I go to the gun store. And yeah, so that's that. But I'm actually super excited about this because, one, R8 coil packs look cool, and two, they are way better. So yeah, with these simple little things that I'm getting, even on an NA car, it will be a lot better. Like, it will make your NA car better. So like, even in the future, I'll just get another one of these sets. Like when I get another E36, I'm gonna do it even if I leave the car NA or drive it NA for a while, because I'm gonna get another E36 to boost, or another M50 powered car, let me say, or M5X S5X powered car. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. It looks like this thing is like meant to be on the car because it's just so cleanly done. So after we do this, it'll be cool. So I have the headers, the cam, spark plugs, fuel thingy. The only thing I need is the cutring head gasket. I don't know why I'm lagging on buying that, but I'll either order that, if not this week, then next week, and then that'll literally be everything we need besides a boost gauge and the ECU. But the boost gauge and ECU, that's down the line because the car is going to still be NA for a couple weeks because I'm gonna do content on the car, like with the exhaust and the cams and these and everything NA and the 6-speed and everything, and then we're going to get the supercharger installed and tune the car. But I'm gonna put all my bolt-ons and stuff first because that's the good thing about a supercharger. It's just you're taking off the intake manifold and swapping on a supercharger that's attached to another intake manifold, so that you can do an exhaust, you can do a whole bunch of stuff, and it won't really change much. I guess that makes sense. Because it's like you don't have to like put a turbo manifold on and drill into the oil thing and do all that stuff. But yeah, the supercharger is a lot more of a bolt-on affair than a turbo is. But yeah, this is pretty sick. So the cool thing about this is like I ordered it from a guy in Germany named Flynn, and then he makes all this. So it's like really cool. But yeah, like this is just really cool because it's such a clean application. And some people do it themselves and stuff like that, but one, I don't know how to do that, and two, spark is very important, so I don't want to have to mess with it. But yeah, that was the unboxing video. I don't know if I showed you guys this. It's super rice. But, oh, where's the other thing? Oh, this is not the rice thing. This is the oil pump, the drilled oil pump nut with the wire thingy on it so it doesn't back out. They said when you're boosting your car, you should get one of those. And then I have this push start system. So I'm gonna have the same dude who wired in my radio do this, because he said he installs push starts and everything. Because I do want to push start, because I don't know if, I'm pretty sure you got a lot of you guys are E36 owners or have E36 or have friends with E36s or driven them or been in them and anything. But if you've ever started one, or if you owned one, starting the car, like there's like this little red circle with like this plastic like little slot. The tip of the key goes into there and then it turns. Over time that thing wears out, and then you have to take apart the steering column and unhook that and then put like a screwdriver in there, and it's super ghetto. Like, you don't want to have to deal with it. And if you have no tools with you when that happens, you're screwed. Like, you'll probably have to jam you'll have to, like, especially if your car's not EWS deleted, you're gonna have to like jam a screwdriver in there and hopefully it's in the right direction and turn it. If not, you're stuck and you're gonna have to get the car towed, and it's super dumb. Luckily that hasn't happened to me, because I did have tools when it did happen, and I was able to take the thing out, do the screwdriver and everything. I just put the key in the keyhole because the car was not EWS deleted. So I put the key in the keyhole and twisted the thingy and it turned on. So that was good for me, but a lot of people, they are not as lucky as I was. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling because I'm really excited. Like, I have a lot of parts and stuff that I have to drop off and whatnot. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And as you guys can see, I'm not playing games with this build. It's taking a while, but it's mainly because of the parts. Again, I had to wait. Not these stuff. There was one company that I dealt with. It took about 90 days from when I ordered it to get the last part, which is this shifter linkage. And even this thing, we're not even going to get into it. I'm going to have John look at it first just to make sure that it's, yeah. But anyhow, yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. I'm about to be, as I said, gonna finish the gun shopping vlog and everything like that. Upload it. So this is going to be uploaded right now. So yeah, there's a lot of content coming. Like as I said, I'm going to be trying to do more vlog stuff because car content is slower, especially with this COVID stuff. So like, yeah. So anyhow, again, finally like, comment, and subscribe. Now check you guys in the next one. Peace. And you already know, drink water, motherfuckers.